Today let's see how you can fill a PDF document directly using Convertigo Forms Builder. Let's follow the steps. First, go to pdfescape.com and click on Free Online. Then, click on Upload PDF to PDF Escape, and browse the PDF you want to transform. From the top left tools, choose Form field and select Checkbox. And choose and draw the field you want to fill. Then right-click on this zone and choose Object Properties. In the name field, type a name and the suffix _1, then press OK. Repeat the step 4, 5 and 6 for as many checkboxes as you have. Each time, keep the same name and increase suffix to _2, _3, _4 etc. On the left side of the page, you can click on the Save and Download icon to get your PDF form. Once you have done it, go back to Convertigo Forms, choose the component you want to link to this field, and set its technical ID according to the name that you previously have chosen for the PDF form field name, but be careful, without the suffix. Indeed, the first option of your checkbox will be linked to the name _1 of your PDF, the second to the name _2 etc. When it's done, as the previous tutorials, you will just have to add a Triggered on Form Submission component and select the Fill out a PDF document from the Convertigo Actions library.